Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about what to do if your manifestation is not coming to you instantly. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. I also want to thank Keen for sponsoring today's video. Keen connects you with tarot readers and astrologers that give you a deeper understanding on your personal situation. I always love using tarot cards and Keen because it gives me such a deeper understanding on whether or not I'm on the right track with my manifestations. Am I in the right state, or do I have to be more in the state of the wish fulfilled? Each reader has a specific set of skills that are designed to help you with your specific situation. For example, there are love astrologers, there's career astrologers, there's ratings on each astrologer as well, so you can pick the best of the best because that's what you deserve. Do you want to know if your subconscious mind is reflecting your desired reality? Do you want to know, based on your specific techniques and state right now, whether or not they will reach out? Keen has a reader at the ready for you, and the thing is, you are in control. You have so many readers at your fingertips ready to connect via phone call or messages instantly. Go to trykeen.com/reader or click on the very first link in the description box down below to get your first 5-minute reading for $1. Listen, true faith in yourself and law of assumption kicks in when you've set a deadline for yourself and it hasn't come on the day of the deadline, and you're sitting the next day and you're still believing that it's going to come. Or at the very least, you are still consistent with your manifestation practices because you believe in law of assumption that much. That is the real test. So it's really easy to believe when everything is on track, right? But what happens when something just doesn't work out? That is when you continue to do the work. You might be saying, Rita, I've been waiting for days, weeks, months, years, and nothing has happened. But that's the thing, you are consistently learning and growing through this process. Even if it does not come today, even if it has not come in years, you are consistently getting better. And would you rather stay in the same pattern that you always have stayed in, or would you keep going at this practice and learning to become a master manifester? What if you gave up today and tomorrow, if you kept on persisting, it would have pushed out in the 3D reality? It can't not. It is the law of assumption. What you dominantly think about becomes your dominant state. The dominant state that you currently live and reside in is the one that is going to push out into your 3D reality instantly. It literally can't not. For example, I have a few comments under some of my videos right now of people saying, but you don't have 1 million subscribers yet. You have been manifesting this for a couple of months. That's the thing. People have lives, people start focusing on something else, people get tired, so it's up to you to really focus on your desire and saturate your mind in this present moment. It's not up to you to judge others, it's not up to you to judge yourself in, why didn't I get this yet? Have I been manifesting enough? We are not judging anything but what is happening in this present moment. You already know what to do. So yeah, I might have skipped 90% of the nights that I wanted to do sats. I may have not been saturating my mind. I may have been living my best life and not fully thinking about my manifestations. Listen, we are all humans, and whatever manifestation coach that appears to look holier than thou is not that. They are on the exact same level as you. They are, spoiler alert, having the exact same problems, questions, moments like you. They may have achieved more, they may have understood some things more, but not everything is what it seems. I'm here telling you how it really is. If I saturated my mind, if I dominantly stayed in the state, if I did my sats consistently every single night, yeah, I would have had a million subscribers by now. Does that mean that I'm a fraud, I can't manifest, or the law of assumption doesn't exist? No, you've seen it play out in your reality time and time again. Just because you stuff up or you're just living your life, you get distracted with other things, or you catch yourself doubting, does not mean that it is the end of the world. We are manifesting whether we're consciously doing it or not, and we're manifesting for the rest of our lives. So giving up doesn't even exist, because you're still going to be living your life regardless. You're still going to be manifesting unconsciously regardless. So you're just picking not to experience that manifestation in your life. But there's no giving up. You're just living your life unconsciously now and experiencing whatever it is on autopilot. But it doesn't make sense that people say that they're giving up, because you're not really giving up. You're just not choosing to experience that thing in your reality anymore. You're not choosing to give that thing your focus in this specific moment in time. But we don't give up. We don't stop consciously manifesting, because every single thing that we have learned from our own experiences and from the stories of others make us into stronger master manifestors, makes us practice ignoring the doubts, makes us know that we are truly the operant power, makes us disciplined in going more and more as much as possible throughout the day and night. It helps us understand that, hey, we've actually gone so far. It helps us realize that whatever it is that I was manifesting a year ago, I have today. I'm experiencing the fruition of that today. It helps us be more appreciative and proud of ourselves, and helps us really recognize that, yeah, we did manifest that. Well done. So I'm giving you this example to help you understand that nothing is wrong with the law of assumption. Nothing is wrong with the way that you manifest. You have to pivot back consistently to the state and not look back and ignore the doubts, and just consistently live in the reality where you have your SP, you have financial freedom, you have those good grades, you are that height, you have that eye color, whatever it may be. You're not judging yourself, you're not judging others, you are staying true to what you want. You're living that out each and every single day, and you are consistent with it. And you're not saying, I've been manifesting for this long, why hasn't it happened yet? You are consistently choosing to go back into the reality where you have that thing, and it will come. Trust yourself. Give yourself compassion. It's not that serious. It's not that deep. Be fun with it. Be playful with it. Manifesting is easy. So when you think that your manifestation is not working, remember this. It hasn't even started until it feels like it's impossible, and you choose to persist anyways. That's when the real magic starts to happen. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.